Hey, so I'm getting ready to show you another new construction. This is in Tuscany. It's on Old Rosebud, and it is a one-story ranch, which is very hard to come by. Price point's really good. They're not even close to being finished, so I'm going to just walk you through. It's rough in. How you doing? Cute dog. Nice neighborhood to walk your dog this morning. Beautiful brisk weather, but it is just really nice. Didn't mention to you yet, I'm Shari Frasure. I'm with Keller Williams Greater Lexington, and I specialize in off-market listings. And this one is not officially on the market, but it will be available. And I'm probably not going to be able to go inside. I'm going to turn the camera around and show it to you, and let you see what the exterior looks like, even though it's pretty muddy around here. So here we go. You see the brick. Got a garage here. Like I said, there's no stairs, so I can't really take you inside. So convenient to Hamburg. You could actually walk to restaurants or shopping. It does have an upstairs, so it's not really a ranch home. And there is a basement. I can get more details on this property or any others that's for sale right now. That in Fayette County, Lexington, there's lots of new construction still going on, and variety of builders and locations, lots. So if you just would like to know what's available, price ranges, and who the builders are, there's several that are very active right now. They aren't doing a lot of homes that, I think they're doing a lot of custom homes, is what I'm trying to say. They're not building a lot of spec homes right now, it's my understanding. But they're very affordable and nice neighborhoods. I'm just going to kind of show you. Yeah, I mean, we're just so close to Hamburg right there. It's crazy. There's a row of townhouses, really nice townhomes. But you can see kind of what's going on here. It's a beautiful day. We're getting ready to celebrate Christmas Saturday. This year's gone by fast. Been a very challenging year for a lot of people. A lot of sickness and everything, and so prayers are that we have a great Christmas and end of the year. Happy New Year. And again, give me a call, 859-229-5945. I love doing research on what's available in Lexington, Kentucky and surrounding areas. The market is still really good if you're interested in selling, and whatever's stopping you from putting your house on the market, let's talk about it. There's several solutions that I can come up with, and one of them is helping you to find the next home you're moving to. Also, I have a program, fullpricehomesale.com, or fullpricehomesale.com. But you can always call me, text me, message me, 859-229-5945.